In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your current passcode. And when you're ready, select Setup Face ID. Now hit Get Started, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're done, pick one of those options. Use Face ID with a mask, don't use Face ID with a mask, or set up later. You can change your mind in the same section in Settings. Hit Done. Over here you can manage all of those options later on, but make sure this switcher next to iPhone Unlock is green. Without it, you won't be able to use Face ID to unlock your device. Now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!